Today we compare B-1B Lancer and the 2-160 Blackjack. 1. B-1B Lancer. Country of origin, United States. Manufacturer, North American Rockwell. First flight, 1974. Introduction, 1986. Crew, typically 4. Engines, 4 General Electric F101 GE102 turbofan engines. Speed, up to Mach 1.2. Range, intercontinental range with aerial refueling. Payload, can carry various conventional and nuclear weapons. Role, originally designed for nuclear strike missions. Stealth features, not considered a stealth aircraft. Now we have 2. 2-160 Blackjack. Country of origin, Russia. Manufacturer, Tupolev Design Bureau. First flight, 1981. Introduction, 1987. Crew, typically 4. Engines, 4 Kuznetsov NK-32 afterburning turbofan engines. Speed, up to Mach 2.0.